Hi children, how are you all? I hope all are keeping well. In the last class, I have completed one poem. Until there, you have for the exams. I hope all of you have received the FA4 exam timetable, also the portions. Children, study well for the exam. In this class, I will start new lesson. From next class, we'll start the revision. In this class, I will start the new lesson. It's Aruni. Take out a reader and keep your finger on the reader. I will read the lesson. Aruni. This story from the Mahabharata shows the special relationship that is there between the teacher and the student. Aruni was a dedicated student of the great sage Daumya. In those days, a student had to stay with the teacher and help in the teacher's daily work in order to gain knowledge. On one cold winter morning, Aruni was carrying firewood he had collected to the sage's household. As he was passing by a field that belonged to the sage, he noticed a damage in the embankment. It allowed the water that had been held to the flow out. He realized that if the water flow was not stopped immediately, the crops in the field would die due to the shortage of water. What should I do? Thought Aruni. I better leave the firewood at the Gurukula school and come back to the care of the damage. As Aruni came and told his master about the damage, the sage was very proud of the student. He permitted Aruni to go to the field without any delay. Aruni's effort to stop the water flow was not successful. He became helpless. After a moment's thought, he lay across the damaged part. The water did stop. When it came dark and Aruni did not return, the sage became worried. He came with his students in search of Aruni and called out loud for him. In a feeble voice, Aruni answered. They quickly removed him from where he was. The other two children assured Aruni that they now would take care of the situation, and wrapping him with a blanket, took him back to the Gurukula. Sage Daumya blessed him and said, You will forever be remembered for your devotion and obedience to your Guru. Thus, Aruni stands as an example for a good student. Whole lesson I read. Now I will explain the lesson. Aruni, a student. This is the story of a person that his name is Aruni. The story is taken from Mahabharata. This story from the Mahabharata shows the special relationship that is there between the teacher and the student. So Mahabharata, children, that Hindus have that Mahabharata and Ramayana. Mahabharata is the story between the Pandavas and Kauravas, war between Pandavas and Kauravas. And This story is taken from there. It is showing the special, very special relationship, sambandha, special vishesha sambandha that is there between teacher and the student. It is the relationship between the teacher and the student. Aruni was dedicated student of the great sage Daumya. Was a sage. Sage means a wise man. Sannyas anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ. Look at the picture here. So in the reader the picture is given sannyasi. English we say sage. His name is Daumya. Dedicated student. Aruni was a helpful, dedicated. Whenever he wants to sacrifice, so he was sacrificing, and he was fully dedicated student to the teacher. Teacher was Daumya. In those days, a student had to stay with a teacher and help him the teacher's daily work in order to gain knowledge. Olden days, as now, you all stay with your parents, right? You won't stay in the school. ನೀವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡೀ 24 ಗಂಟೆಗಳು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ವೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್ 24 hours also in the school. You will be there only from morning to evening. But in the olden days, to that student, until he has to finish the education, until he has to stay with the teacher, they has to stay in the school. So olden days the teacher was the sage, that sannyasi was the teacher. Here the teacher daily, and that student must help the teacher with that teacher's daily work, and whatever, and they has to gain the knowledge. On one cold winter, what happened here? Aruni, what happened about Aruni? On one cold winter, you know, ಚಳಿಗಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ, in the morning, in the winter time, it will be too cold, right? So cannot go out also from the house. Here, one cold winter morning, Aruni was carrying firewood. What is firewood? You have at home firewood. To cook the food, you have to put the fire with the wood. The dried wood is called as a firewood. Kattige. So that he went to collect it. He was carrying ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತುಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. He was carrying, had collected to the sage's household. He collected for the sage, to cook for sage. As he was passing by a field, he was crossing the field, he was walking by the field. Field ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಗದ್ದೆ. Field, a land where the crops are grow. So when he was passing by the field that belonged to the sage, that field was to sage, he noticed a damage of embankment. Embankment means in the field, gaddeyalli, in the field, four side also will be covered with the water. It will be covered. The water must stay in the field for the crops, otherwise crops will not grow. So there the embankment was damaged. It allowed the water that had been held to flow out. It will not allow the water to flow out, that embankment. But here that embankment was damaged. He saw that, he realized that the water flow was not stopped immediately, the crops in the field would die due to the shortage of water. That water was going out. It was a wastage. So he thought that if I will not stop the water of that field, what will happen? The crops will die. The crops will die. If there is no water for the plants, what will happen? Plant will die. So same thing here, the crops will die. So he thought of to stop the water. He thought, what should I do? He was thinking, what to do now? So thought Aruni, I better leave the firewood at Gurukula. Olden days, that school is called as Gurukula. So Aruni thought he had firewood on his head. So he thought of that firewood will keep in Gurukula and will come back to take care of the damage and come back to the field to stop the water. Until here I will complete the lesson. Until here I will do the lesson. Rest of the lesson will be doing in the next class. I hope all of you have understood the lesson. Now children, and daily read this lesson and improve your knowledge. Now I will give some homework. Children, write these words in your rough book, each verse 5 times. This is a homework for you. DHOUMYA, Daumya. DHOUMYA, Daumya. HOUSEHOLD, household. HOUSEHOLD, household. EMBANKMENT, embankment. EMBANKMENT, embankment. FIELD, field. FIELD, field. FIREWOOD, firewood. FIREWOOD, firewood. GURUKULA, Gurukula. GURUKULA, Gurukula. SHORTAGE, shortage. SHORTAGE, shortage. KNOWLEDGE, knowledge. KNOWLEDGE, knowledge. RELATIONSHIP, relationship. RELATIONSHIP, relationship. COLLECTED, collected. COLLECTED, collected. These words write in a rough book, each verse 5 times. Notebook, write today's date up on the margin. Unit 7, first line, Aruni. Heading of the lesson. Roman number 1, draw the line in the center. After each draw the line, write the meanings of endurance, ability to bear the pain. Sage, a wise man. Field, land where crops are grown. Bless, wish for happiness. Feeble, low or faint. Obedience, following rules. Permit, to allow. Embankment, this to structure that avoids water flow. Roman number 2, write the opposites of soft, hard, brave, coward, helpful, helpless, obedience, obedience. Disobedience, take, give, special, ordinary, loud, feeble, bless, curse, proud, humble, success, failure. Old, Niv, patience, impatience, push, pull. Roman number 3, give the past tense of collect, collected, carry, carried, take, took, fall, fell, tell, told, leave, left, lay, laid, become, became, stand, stood, worry, worried. So I will continue the lesson in the next class. Take care. Thank you. Bye.